Welcome to Fibery for user research. This is a workspace where you can collect all feedback from your customers, like from intercom conversations, from calls, from usability sessions, from customer discovery sessions, and like create insights or ideas and understand what insights and what ideas are the most important to move into product development phase. By default, you have a couple of applications here. So we have applications to track competitors, customer feedback, user research, insights. And in every application, you have something to work with. Let's start from the core. The core of this solution is user research application. So in this application, you can run your customer discovery studies, usability studies, and so on. And let's say we have two studies currently. This is usability test and this is customer discovery study. And for every study, you can create new sessions. So we have several example sessions here. And in a session, you just describe results of your study. It can be a template that you insert here. And when you run the usability test and ask all the questions, you can then link your text to insights, for example, or to ideas. Let's say when we log into a system, our password was not encrypted, it was asked by a customer, and we create an idea to implement password encryption. And here is our idea. And when you highlight a text in Fibery and link it to idea, you have a backlink to your original conversation. So if you have several customers that complain about that, all complaints will be linked here in the references section. So to create a study, you just can do it here, for example, study by states. So you click create new study, and in this new study, you create a couple of sessions, and just a very simple process. And you can see all your sessions on the calendar view, maybe, if it's handy for you to do it this way. Okay. The next up is customer feedback. And it's not like a structured study where you have a template and particular people to talk with. It's just like any calls, any demos, any conversations with your customers, and you just put them here in quite unstructured manner. But then you can also augment these conversations with link to insights. So for example, we have an insight that Google is not allowed in this company, so maybe it's interesting insight for us. Or we want to augment emails to make them more positive, so it's also an insight. And again, you just accumulate more and more information, and it helps you to understand what's more important. And now let's jump into Insights application. Insights collects all insights and ideas. Insights is observation about customer behavior. And here we have a table with all recent insights. It can be pain points, observations. You may resolve them already or collect more feedback. Let's open one of the insights. And you see a back reference to original conversation. And you can split the insight to various ideas, or maybe just one idea. So you have an idea to cheer up emails. And you just create this idea and describe it here. And you can create whiteboards or documents and link them to this idea. For example, you want to have a brainstorming session. So you can create a mind map, for example, whiteboard, open it, and draw some mind map diagram to support your idea, to understand the context better. And we have an idea bank here. So just a list of ideas, not implemented ideas, ranked by score. And Fibery is very flexible, so you can have your own ranking. And you may trace ideas implementation in this board that shows you all ideas by states. Here is insights. There are a couple of less important applications like competitors tracking. So it's just a list of your competitors. It may be handy in a conversation to mention the competitor and accumulate all feedback or all references of this competitor in a single place. So you can see that if you want to understand strong and weak sides of this competitor, you can just mention it in some conversation using sharp sign and accumulate everything here. And there is a contact application. So when you plan your studies, maybe you want to have a list of accounts or contacts to ping. And here it's just that very basic CRM application to manage your contacts and accounts. And for every contact, you can have like a session, so you have a direct link. So for Ford, we run this usability session, and here is the link. That's how Fibery basically provides you with all required tools to collect feedback, to do user research, customer discovery sessions, usability sessions, and generate insights and link all this feedback to insights and ideas.